Yeah. So this is the easiest part, but you need to just know it as a flow chart. Then everything becomes easy. We have done a reactive one. So today we see extraction of moderately reactive. Okay. So we will be seeing, and just make proper notes of this section. Extraction of moderately reactive. Okay. Metals. The three examples we will see here, three examples. The metals are not that important in grade 10. The processes are more important. But there will be three metals whom we will see as a part of this, as a part of these extraction process. There will be three metals whom we will be seeing out here. Okay, three metals. And those three metals would be zinc, थोड़ा सा मैंगनीज एंड थोड़ा सा आयरन. दैट्स ऑल. ये याद रखिएगा. ठीक है, और धीरे धीरे बताते जाऊंगा आपको. नाउ द प्रोसेस फॉर दिस, द प्रोसेस दैट वी एम्प्लॉय, the process will always be, we would do reduction of metal oxide. That means the metal that you want to extract, you should get a metal oxide of that, and then you reduce the metal oxide. Reduction मतलब जानते हो ना, जैसे आपका metal oxide रहेगा. Reduction means you just take away the oxygen and the metal will be obtained. Now question comes, sir, if I get a metal oxide, I will straight away reduce it, no tension. But will I get a metal oxide is the question. So the process will not be that simple. You will either get a metal carbonate, or you will get a metal sulfide. So ये question में ऐसे बोलते हैं, metal carbonate means when you're trying to extract this, see, it's the same metal, you are extracting it from a carbonate ore, and same metal you are extracting from a sulfide ore. So in this case we would be taking the example of zinc. ठीक है, zinc when it is coming from the carbonate ore, इस ore का नाम होता है calamine. ठीक है, and zinc when it comes from the sulfide ore, just कभी कभी 1 मार्क पूछ लिया तो इसका नाम होता है जिंक ब्लेंड. ZnCO3 ZnS. ठीक है ना, ये हो जाएगा ZnCO3 और ये हो जाएगा ZnS. अच्छा, याद रखने का टेक्निक क्या रहेगा? बड़ा इजी टेक्निक. कार्बोनेट में है C, कैलामाइन में है C. ठीक है, are we clear? So we need a metal oxide. If we have a metal oxide, we straight away reduce it. If we don't get a metal oxide, we will get either in the form of metal carbonate or metal sulfide. So metal sulfide nahi beta, metal sulfide. Okay, this is a mistake from my side. It's metal sulfide. DE, sorry. It's DE, metal sulfide. So either we will be, then in both these cases, we have to convert it into what? Metal oxide. And then further go for reduction. And then when you reduce it, you will get the metal. क्या ये कहानी आपको समझ में आया? अच्छा, ये जो रिडक्शन आप करोगे, ये रिडक्शन करने के लिए आपको रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट चाहिए. Somebody who will oxidize himself or herself and will reduce your oxide. So you need a reducing agent because your item is already in oxide. इसको reduce करना है तो आपको ऐसा कोई चाहिए जो इसके ऑक्सीजन को ले लेगा और मेटल को फ्री छोड़ेगा. Who is that person called? Reducing agent. A reducing agent. So that reducing agents will be, the reducing agent is carbon, aluminium. We have two more reducing agents, but मैं उसको अलग कलर से लिखूंगा with some good news for you. We have something called sodium and calcium. ये बेटा हायर क्लासेस में पढ़ते हैं, तो ये आपके लिए गुड न्यूज हो गया है ना. हायर क्लासेस, इसमें आपको दिमाग खसाने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो आपको क्या पढ़ना है बेटा? आपको कार्बन से रिडक्शन देखना है, एल्यूमिनियम से रिडक्शन देखना है। इज द स्टोरी क्लियर? ओके, इज द स्टोरी क्लियर? अगर स्टोरी क्लियर है तो फिर इसको कर लेते हैं अभी छोटा और रख लेते हैं साइड में, ठीक है? विल रिड्यूस इट नाउ, इसको यहां साइड में रख देते हैं। दिस इज आवर स्टोरी, right? So we'll see one process each. So as I told you, we will be seeing the metals from zinc, we'll see metal as manganese and we'll see iron. बस ये 3 मेटल देखना है और इस प्रोसेस को हमें देखना है। चलो एक एक करके शुरू करते हैं। Now the first process that we'll take is that suppose you have a carbonate ore, okay? Suppose I have a carbonate ore, carbonate ore. कार्बोनेट ओर में in order to make it metal oxide, the process that we will use is called calcination. ठीक है, दोबारा वही वाली बात आ गई, कार्बोनेट में C, कैल्सिनेशन में C। याद रखिएगा, कार्बोनेट को मेटल ऑक्साइड बनाने के लिए we're gonna use what? Calcination, right? And then we would also have sulfide ore, we'd have a sulfide ore, and sulfide ore को metal oxide में लाने के लिए we gonna use roasting. So 2 processes आपको समझना है, calcination and roasting, ठीक है? roasting. Now, again, all are aid to memory, huh? Because if you don't have flowchart, you won't be able to remember this portion. Roasting बोलते ही आपके दिमाग में आना चाहिए, नॉन वेजिटेरियन हो तो चिकन रोस्ट समझ लो, ठीक है? एंड वेजिटेरियन हो तो क्या करे, घी रोस्ट, वो जो डोसा होता है वो समझ लो, घी रोस्ट। ये दोनों ही चीजें बनती हैं आपके किचन में, एंड किचन में क्या है, भरपूर ऑक्सीजन है ना? सो अब रोस्टिंग को डिफाइन करेंगे। रोस्टिंग इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ हीटिंग सल्फाइड ओर इन presence of oxygen to convert it into a metal oxide, क्योंकि ये दोनों ही गड़बड़ करेगा आपको, to convert it into a metal oxide, ठीक है? कैसे याद रखने का? Roasting means roast. Any sort of roast recipe is done in the kitchen. Kitchen has a lot of oxygen, so therefore it is roasting. कैल्सिनेशन क्या है? सेम प्रोसेस ऑफ हीटिंग कार्बोनेट और इन एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन टू प्रोड्यूस मेटल ऑक्साइड। भाई साहब समझ में आया आपको? ठीक है, दोनों चीजें देख लीजिए। अगर आपको एक हो गया आपका कैल्सिनेशन और एक हो गया आपका रोस्टिंग, कौन सा किस में लगाएंगे उसके लिए सीसी याद रखिए। द सीसी इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हिच वन आर यू गोइंग टू यूज वेयर। द सीसी विल टेल यू दैट। आर वी फाइन? स्टोरी सो फार वी हैव not less reactive or moderately reactive metals. So the best thing is that if you could give me the metal oxide. Now since you didn't give me the metal oxide, you will be giving me either a sulfide ore or a carbonate ore. A sulfide ore or a carbonate ore has to be converted to metal oxide. For sulfide ore we use roasting, for carbonate ore we use calcination. Calcination is absence of air, roasting is presence of air. दोनों को हीट करने से हमें ऑक्साइड मिलेगा और फिर उस ऑक्साइड को हम क्या करेंगे, कार्बन से रिड्यूस कर देंगे। चलिए अब प्रोसेस देखते हैं। या कंप्लीट एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, no, it's generally you should have absence of oxygen, okay? That's why we call it. So number one, let's see the case of, sorry, let's see the case of calcination now. That's what in grade 10, the processes are more important, calcination. So calcination means I will take zinc carbonate, ZnCO3, and what is the ore that supplies it? Calamine. Calamine is the ore. Zinc carbonate, इसको strong heat करेंगे -O2. -O2 means you are heating it in the absence of oxygen. ठीक है बच्चा? You are heating it in the absence of oxygen. ऐसा हीट करने में आपको क्या मिलेगा? आपको मिलेगा ZnO plus CO2. और आपके मतलब का चीज ये है, मेटल ऑक्साइड. दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज योर मेटल ऑक्साइड. समझ में आया बच्चा? ठीक है. देन व्हाट वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ रोस्टिंग. रोस्टिंग मतलब अब हम लेंगे ZnS. सो दिस इज जिंक ब्लेंड से आएगा, zinc blend, and this will be heated strongly in the presence of oxygen. ये भी हमें देगा ZnO plus SO2. ठीक है, ZnO plus SO2. We need to balance this now. So how do you balance? इसको अगर हम 3O2 कर दे, ये प्लस है actually, so it makes it 6 and 3O2, sulfur, zinc, 3, 2. इसको 2 करेंगे तो 2Zn, 2Zn, 2 to 4, and so this is 2SO2. हाँ, 2SO2. now हो गया, 2 to the 4, 2 6, and this is your interest का item. Which one? This one. ये भी आपका metal oxide. ये भी metal oxide. Understood this process? Very good. तो इसको भी कर लेते हैं अभी separate. So this is our, इसको भी कर दो separate. ठीक है. So the order in which we studied today was, this was portion 1, this was portion 2, and this was portion 3. Clear? Now since we have got our metal oxide, our job is to see the reduction. Our job is to see the reduction. And reduction में हम क्या क्या से देखते हैं? Carbon and aluminium, calcium and sodium are seen in higher classes. ठीक है, बड़ा easy reaction है. आ जाओ reduction कर लेते हैं. So you got ZnO and you are treating it with carbon. This carbon is actually grade 8 में जो आप पढ़ते थे ना, coke. Coke is the most enriched form of carbon. All volatile components has been exposed, and coke is मतलब last stage में जो है, इसे all 100% carbon के आसपास है. So this will release you with zinc, and CO2 will come out. Zinc plus CO2. ठीक है ना, 2 कर लेते हैं, 2Z. तो ये आपको आपका मेटल मिल गया. This is your metal, and it gives you CO2. So in this reaction, if you see, zinc got reduced and zinc formed what? Zinc oxide formed zinc, and carbon got oxidized to form carbon dioxide. तो इसमें कौन सा? हाँ, हीटिंग है. ये तो पूरा हीट में ही होगा. ये सब रिडक्शन मतलब ये सब हीट में होगा. And this is solid, this is gaseous. Coke. This all happens in blast furnace type. Have you understood this? So this is under the heading, you can write the heading that we will follow for this would be reduction with 1. This is a reduction with carbon. ये है reduction with carbon. ठीक है. इसको भी छोटा कर देते हैं। So this is also छोटा reduction with carbon, और इसको यहाँ लिया और ये this is our structure number 4. So story is over till carbon. Anyone has any questions so far? We are trying to extract moderately reactive metal. In moderately reactive metal, the three metals we will see as a part of our example would be zinc, manganese and iron. ठीक है ना? Manganese and iron qualify कर जाएगा thermit process के लिए, ठीक है? और फिर zinc. Now how do you do that? Metal oxide, our job is to reduce the metal oxide. Sir, what reducing agent do you use? We use carbon, aluminium, sodium, calcium. Sodium, calcium is not at your level. So you will be dealing only with carbon and aluminium. Okay, very good. What if, sir, if I don't have a metal oxide? If you don't have a metal oxide, you have either a carbonate ore or a sulfide ore. And we take zinc as an example. Zinc के carbonate ore को C है तो calamine हो गया. Sulfide ore, any sulfide ore is blend always. Pitch blend, zinc blend. So यहाँ पे हमारा आ गया pitch blend. Sorry, zinc blend. Carbonate ore, what do we do? ZnCO3. Target is to get ZnO. What will you do? Carbonate C, calcination C. तो दूसरा process क्या है? Roasting. Roasting happens in kitchen. Lot of oxygen. So roasting is in presence of oxygen. And calcination will be in absence of oxygen. दोनों करने से हमें क्या मिलेगा? Metal oxide. इस metal oxide को reduce करने की जरूरत है. तो हमने metal oxide को reduce किया और reduce करते ही हमें क्या मिला? हमने किससे reduce किया? Carbon से reduce किया. Now we would see reduction with aluminium, and in that we will see one special reaction. Okay, so our next job is to study reduction with aluminium. ये industry process है, reduction with aluminium. अच्छा. So here you need to understand one reaction जिसको हम कहते हैं thermite reaction. Rather the reaction's name is aluminothermite reaction, पर हम इसे thermite reaction करके ही जानेंगे. What is a thermite reaction? ये एक ऐसा reaction है. This is a reaction in which metal oxide is reduced with aluminium. बहुत अच्छी बात है, हमें भी पता है. Metal oxide is reduced with aluminium. So look at your topic, reduction with aluminium. Obviously your raw material will be a metal oxide because यही metal oxide को हमने carbon से किया, अभी हम aluminium से करेंगे. So metal oxide is going to be reduced with aluminium. तो इसको इतना खास क्या है? खास ये है कि ऐसे करने में जो आपको metal मिलेगा ना, this metal will be in molten state. In molten state. Sir, molten state होने से क्या फायदा है? मोल्टन स्टेट का मतलब है ये रिएक्शन हाईली एक्सोथर्मिक होगा. एक्सोथर्मिक, हाईली एक्सोथर्मिक होना ही पड़ेगा. इट शुड बी सो हाई दैट यू आर गोइंग टू मेल्ट द मेटल. ओके, यू आर गोइंग टू मेल्ट द मेटल. एंड हियर द एग्जांपल्स वी विल बी स्टडीइंग वुड बी मैंगनीज एंड आयरन. हम इनके एग्जांपल्स को देखेंगे. मैंगनीज एंड आयरन, you are going to get molten metal in molten state. Now the beauty of this reaction, what is the beauty of this reaction? जब आप molten state आता है, इसका industrial use है. क्या use है? Suppose you have say a machinery part, or say you have something like a railway track. आपके पास railway track है और उस track में crack आ गया है. You have a crack on that. You have a big machine, okay? And let's say this is the foundation of a machine. ऐसा foundation है किसी machine का, and this is on a factory bed, and some crack has developed here. Now you can't carry this machine. This is all foundation से rock solid होके बैठा है. You can't take the machine again and go and mend it. What we need to do is that the corrective measure has to be done here itself. Like at your home, what do you say? Warranty है washing machine में. कैसा बोलते हैं warranty? On-site warranty means you need not take the washing machine. The repair guy will come to your place. So ऐसे जगह पे जब आप welding करेंगे, इसको weld ही करना पड़ेगा. There is no other way. ऐसे जगह पे जब आप weld करेंगे, इस process को हम बोलते हैं in situ welding. In situ means वहीं का वहीं वेल्ड हो जाएगा, आपको लेके जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। ऑब्वियसली कैन यू ओपन अ रेलवे ट्रैक एंड गो एंड वेल्ड इट? नो। सो यू विल गो टू द रेलवे ट्रैक साइट एंड यू विल वेल्ड इट। वेल्ड करना मतलब क्या है? व्हाट इज अ वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस? सो आवर क्रैक इज समथिंग लाइक दिस, ऐसा क्रैक हो गया है। वेल्ड मींस यू हैव टू डू फिल अप आउट हियर, and this fill up must be done by what? Metal in molten state. That's why this reaction is of industrial importance. So what is a thermit reaction? A thermit reaction is a type of a reduction reaction in which a metal oxide is heated with aluminium, and aluminium is in, ये जो aluminium है ना, ये powdered form में रहता है, powdered. This is heated in powdered aluminium, powdered form में, and the reactions, best part is that the reaction will involve a lot of heat, so much so that the metal which you will be getting at the end will be in molten state. Has a high industrial use where machinery parts and railway tracks which develop cracks need not be taken separately for welding but can be welded at that same spot itself. वहीं का वहीं आपका रफा दफा हो जाएगा, वेल्डिंग हो जाएगा। इसको हम कहते हैं इन सीटू वेल्डिंग। Is this small trick understood with you? Okay. And remember one more point here. If you see carbon versus, okay, if we see the game of carbon versus aluminium, तो भाई साहब aluminium is very very costly. Carbon सस्ता है, so this will always be preferred. This will always be preferred. Carbon is cheaper. हाँ, only specific job. हर time use नहीं करना है, because every time if you use, your repair will be more costly than the machinery. So it is better to replace the whole machinery. अब इसके reactions को देखते हैं दोनों केस में, ठीक है? So this much done. तो इसको भी छोटा कर लेते हैं, अब भी और जगह ही नहीं है लिखने के लिए. So 1 2 3 4 and this gives you, see, this is the beauty when you use digital. Now your mind map becomes clear. 1 से 2, 2 से 3, 3 से 4, ऐसे रहने से आप देखते हुए, ठीक है? राइट, चलो. सो लेट्स सी मैंगनीज के केस में, मैंगनीज का ऑक्साइड होता है MnO2. I also need to refer this, okay? MnO2. And manganese ore, just for your knowledge, if you want to know, the ore is known as pyrolusite. Pyrolusite or pyrolusite? Pyrolusite, okay. 1 minute, let me check. Even I forget. Pyrolusite. This is U. 1 minute. Let me make it correct. Manganese ore is known as pyrolusite. Pyrolusite. तो इसको हम किससे हीट करेंगे? इसको हम हीट करेंगे एल्यूमिनियम इन पाउडर्ड फॉर्म. So obviously we will get Mn and we will get Al2O3. This is an oxidation reduction reaction. Obviously manganese got reduced, aluminium got oxidized. This is also a displacement reaction. This is also a displacement reaction. Aluminium is displacing manganese from manganese oxide और जाके खुद यहाँ पे रैप कर लेता है. So and don't forget, in this reaction under no circumstance should you forget heat. And ये manganese liquid में है, ये solid है, this is solid, this is solid, and this is solid. And the other thing is this is in powder form. So 3 4 3 2, 3 4 3 2. 3 4 3 2. Clear? Now we need to see iron wala. In the case of iron, we use iron 3 oxide. Iron 3 means Fe2O3. Oxygen 3 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6. ये iron 3 है. Iron 3, iron 4, Fe3O4 होता है, ठीक है? This will be reacting with again with aluminium and will give you Fe in liquid state and will give you Al2O3 and will give you heat. Obviously, this one is in powder form. No. मैग्नीज नहीं, ट्रैक को फिल करेंगे आयरन से ना, ट्रैक आयरन का होता है, ट्रैक आयरन. This is just to show you that it can be with any process. In fact, ये initially नहीं होता है. First of all, this reaction, they will first ignite this reaction. This reaction will create the heat for this reaction to start. You just can't expect iron oxide and aluminum added together will give you heat. इसको भी पहले heat देना पड़ेगा. But it will produce much more heat. So exothermic. इसको देने के लिए, this is dealt in Cambridge 1 extra. This reaction is first started. First you will do the manganese reaction. Then ये जो heat है ना, this heat will be the activation for this reaction. पहले उतना गर्मी लाना है, नहीं तो ये reaction आगे नहीं जाएगा. So this becomes our 6th part, and this concludes less reactive series. So this is our 6th part. Any bachcha, any confusion? 1 2 3 4 5 6 देख लीजिए, बोलिए, and then we go for the least reactive, and least reactive is very easy. This you'll get, you can take screenshot na. No recording, man. There is a screenshot facility here also. My hands are just not comfortable with that. Let me see. There should be a screenshot facility here also. Lock screen, screenshot. Here, na? This is screenshot. So I think you have to pull the entire thing. Should be there. This one. This one. Yeah. But has it taken the shot? Then right. It has taken. I should go and save it. Screenshot has been saved to location this. So it's saved. Don't worry. You have screenshot. You can split the screen into 2. Right now, only pen I'm getting comfortable with. Slowly we'll get. Now I need to wipe the board. Are all fine? Any query? This one is fine? Okay. So we go to the next one. Least reactive ones. Oh, yeah, ekdam aasan hai. Very less. You just need to study about mercury out here. Extraction of less reactive. HGS. HGS is known as cinnabar. So the last one is extraction of less reactive. So in extraction of less reactive, we will see 2 cases. So we will see 2 cases out here, and they would be mercury and copper. 2 cases देखेंगे यहाँ पे. So one we will see for mercury and one we will see for copper. इन दोनों को देखेंगे, mercury और copper. So here it's very simple. It says less reactive, which are quite low, are extracted by reduction of their oxide alone. So these are extracted by reduction of their oxide alone. What you will see here is that you won't need another reducing agent. Reduction of their oxide alone. So in the case of mercury, the ore that we have is known as cinnabar. Mercury के ore को हम बोलते हैं cinnabar. And cinnabar is a sulfide ore. This is a sulfide ore. Now again your question will come, sir, if mercury is a sulfide ore, I should first use the process of roasting and then convert sulfide ore to oxide and then reduce it. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Mercury metal can be extracted by directly heating the, इसको directly heat कर देने का. Directly heat it. and you can get mercury. There is no question of again doing roasting in this process because this is less reactive. तो चलो इसका भी देख लेते हैं. So how to do it? HGS, mercury sulfide, reacts with oxygen. We will heat it, so you will get mercury oxide, HgO, plus SO2. Roasting. But see, actually this process is roasting. If you see properly, you're heating it in the presence of air, means it's roasting, and then you take HgO and you again heat it. If you again heat it, so it will give you mercury plus oxygen. So let's balance it. Yeah, reduction, right? So this process is same as roasting. Roasting means heating a sulfide ore. So HGS SO2 O2. This is balanced. SO2 नहीं, ये balance नहीं है. So in this case it should be 2 2. यहाँ पे 3 और यहाँ पे 2 SO2. So 2 हो गया. इधर 2 कर देंगे और इधर 2 कर देंगे. 2 2 is 4 plus 2 6. Yeah, it's balanced. So 2 HgO, 2 Hg plus 2. Mercury 2 oxide, and this one is mercury 2 sulfide. तो भाई साहब मर्क्यूरी की कहानी यहां हो गई आपकी खत्म. So directly heat the sulfide ore. Though we are showing this in two process. अच्छा बच्चा देखो, इसको हम दो प्रोसेस में दिखा रहे हैं. Actually when you are heating, it is happening in one process itself. ठीक है, इसको दो प्रोसेस में देखने की जरूरत. तो at one stage it is going away. आप तो हीट ही कर रहे हो ना. What is the difference? You are heating it. So in first stage the sulfide will get converted to oxide. Oxide then gets converted. Now we'll see for copper. Copper का sulfide ore. So copper sulfide ore. Copper sulfide ore is known as copper glans. Copper. We'll see copper ka sulfide ore. And study this part as mind map, पूरा clear हो जाएगा. इसको हम बोलते हैं copper glans. यहाँ घर वाला ही दुश्मन बनेगा इसका, देखते रहो. It's called copper glans. So sulfide ore, you have no other option but to first heat it. ठीक है, तो इसको what we will do, we will heat it in presence of oxygen. Roasting. हीट करते ही ये क्या फॉर्म करेगा? ये फॉर्म करेगा कॉपर ऑक्साइड और साथ में आपको देगा सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, लेट अस फर्स्ट बैलेंस द इक्वेशन. So O2 1 3. So obviously if I put a 2 out here, so 2 2s are 4, 2 and 2 sulfur and 2. Balance हुआ, solid, gas, then this is solid and this is gas. This is the first reaction. In the first reaction what we are doing? We are doing roasting. हम यहाँ पे roasting कर रहे हैं. यहाँ थोड़ा सा कैच है, समझ लो. यहाँ पे roasting करेंगे. After that, once sufficient amount of CuO has been formed. ठीक है, once sufficient amount of CuO has been formed, air supply is stopped. Air supply को हम stop कर देते हैं. That is basically oxygen को आप cut off कर दे रहे हैं. You are cutting off the oxygen supply and you are keeping the heat on. अब क्या होगा? जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ कॉपर सल्फाइड है उसके साथ रिएक्ट करेगा CuO. This CuO will react with the remaining part of copper sulfide. See what is the process? It's a sulfide ore, so we follow roasting. Roasting करते करते आपको ऑक्साइड मिल जाएगा. ऑक्साइड आने के बाद हम क्या करते थे? रिड्यूस करते थे. यहां वैसा नहीं करेंगे. Once sufficient amount of ये हो गया, थोड़ा सा ये बाकी रहा, you keep the heating on, cut off the oxygen supply. Now this one will react with this one, and the heat is kept on, so all you will get is copper and you will get sulfur dioxide out हो जाएगा. So this is solid, 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 and this is gaseous. ये 6 Cu होता है. It's like just, and this would be 2, so sulfur 2 2 2. अब मैच हो गया, देखो तो oxygen 2, 6 means this is 2 to 4. 1 minute. So 4 oxygen, yeah, so we should make it 4 out here. 4 Cu. But there is a catch out here. Cu2s. अच्छा, एक गलती किया है. हाँ बेटा, कॉपर सल्फाइड इज Cu2s. That was what I was thinking. कुछ एक गलती हुआ है. This is Cu2s. Cu2s means इसमें we are using 1 minute. हाँ, this reaction में गलती हो गया है. This is Cu2s. So this is 2 Cu2O and 4 Cu2O and 2 Cu2s. कोई problem नहीं है. Now look at the good part out here. What is the valency of oxygen? Oxygen's valency is -2. -2. Okay, forget the 4. Copper, we have 2 atoms of copper. That means each atom of copper is carrying what valency? Just see. Copper is X multiplied by 2 atoms of copper. Don't see the 4. Just see this compound, Cu2O. Oxygen is how much? -2. This should give you 0. Then what is the value of X? X की वैल्यू कितनी हुई? X की वैल्यू हुई 2 divided by 2. Yes, correct. Sorry, 1. इसका मतलब यहां कॉपर का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है +1, whereas यहां कॉपर का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है +2. यही आपको ध्यान रखना है. ये +1 है. So this will be called as copper 1 oxide. This is called as copper 1 oxide. 1 standing for, and this is copper 2 sulfide. Copper 1 oxide, copper 2 sulfide. Here also it is copper 2 sulfide. Sorry, हाँ, वो mistake हो गया था. And this is copper 1 oxide. Did you get the idea? Okay. क्या चीज बैलेंस नहीं है? हाँ, 3. यहाँ पे कितना है? 2 2 4, 4 and 2 6, and here we are having 3. हाँ, 3 आएगा यहाँ पे. 3 ऑक्सीजन. अच्छा, छोटा वाला ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, तो इसका ट्रिवियल नेम क्या होगा? इसका ट्रिवियल नेम होगा क्यूप्रस ऑक्साइड. इसका ट्रिवियल नेम क्या होगा? क्यूप्रिक सल्फाइड. दिस इज फॉर योर नॉलेज. छोटा ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इज ऑलवेज अस, बड़ा वाला इज इक, फेरस फेरिक, क्यूप्रस क्यूप्रिक. ठीक है, और कुछ नहीं पढ़ना है आपको एक्सट्रैक्शन में. Do you have refining also now? Refining of copper? No, it's not there. If it's there, we'll see. Anyone has the NCERT textbook right now with them? Sanvi, if you have, can you just open and see whether anyone who has it, do you have refining of copper, or does the story stop here itself? I think it stops here itself now. Earlier we had refining of copper also. एक बार चेक कर बेटा, because refining of copper nowadays we study in detail in grade 8. Electrolytic refining of copper, just check. है पीहू? Is there ना? चलो देख लेते हैं. A quick revision on this one also. We are doing extraction of less reactive metal. The two metals that we study here are mercury and copper. Mercury, the ore taken is the sulfide ore, which is known as cinnabar. कॉपर के केस में भी सल्फाइड ओर लेते हैं जिसको कहते हैं कॉपर ग्लांस. मर्क्यूरी में पहले रोस्टिंग, वंस रोस्टिंग इज डन यू गेट मर्क्यूरी ऑक्साइड. मर्क्यूरी ऑक्साइड को और कोई रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट नहीं चाहिए, डायरेक्टली हीट द ऑक्साइड, यू गेट मर्क्यूरी. कॉपर ऑक्साइड के कॉपर सल्फाइड के केस में पहले रोस्टिंग एंड यू गेट कॉपर ऑक्साइड. आफ्टर सफिशिएंट कॉपर ऑक्साइड हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड, कीप द हीटिंग ऑन बट स्विच ऑफ द एयर सप्लाई so that don't convert everything to copper oxide. Then the remaining copper sulfide reacts with copper oxide, but this is copper 1 oxide and gives you copper. Khatam. Aiye. Now we see refining. Okay, I'm rubbing this off. The last one is known as refining. Refining of metals. Now the metal that you have got still contains is not very pure. Okay, sometimes it's not like that. Metal is pure, but the certain applications, let's say thoda sa aise, let's say refining of metal means we were talking about copper. So copper को जब आप extract कर लेते हो, once you have extracted, then you think that you have got copper which is pure. We don't deny this is pure copper, but there are some applications like say electrical application. There are some wire banana hai aapko, electrical application, and in these applications the purity grade required is much high, purity demand is much high. tab aapko itna pure nahi chalega. You have to refine this, refined hai na. What do you do when you bake a cake? You get flour from the market and the flour is good flour, but don't you sieve it again? Why do you sieve it? You want more pure form ताकि किसी तरह का lumps ना बन जाए. So it's the same process. We are using it for electrical applications and our purity demand is very high, and the purity demand would be something like 99.9 level purity, this percentage purity. So the copper that you obtain from the previous step might not be that pure. So you have to go for more purity, and that is obtained by the process of refining. And in this we go for electrolytic refining. ये पूरा grade 8 stuff है. वहाँ electroplating पढ़ा था, यहाँ electrolytic refining. आइए electrolytic refining को देखते हैं कैसे करते हैं. Now electrolytic refining करने के लिए बच्चा हमें जो चाहिए, हमें एक टैंक चाहिए सबसे पहले. So ये मान लीजिए हमारा टैंक है. This is our tank, and this tank is made up of glass and we call it a electrolytic tank. मुझे पहले draw कर लेने दीजिए, then I'll do the labeling. Okay, tank के अंदर we will have 2 electrodes. Okay, copper है ना, तो ना मोटा कैसे हो? What did I use? 1 minute. What did I use? No, we'll do it in 3D. Well, we have got a lot of devices, don't worry. So we will have one electrode like this and one electrode. Okay, 2 electrode. And then we also need an electrolyte. So our electrolyte will be this one. This is our electrolyte. Okay. अब मैं जरा नेमिंग्स यूज करता हूं. सो so the tank we use is a glass tank, and this will be known as the electrolytic tank. Electrolytic tank. ग्लास क्यों लेते हैं? अनरिएक्टिव है. ठीक है. Now copper. So what we will do, we want copper to form. So the copper, अब ये देखो connection वगैरह बच्चे याद करते हैं, कोई जरूरत नहीं. Copper is going to form copper ion. What is metals form? What? Positive ions, cations. So the metals will migrate to which side? To always the negative electrode. ठीक है ना? So this is our impure copper. Impure copper. And this is pure copper. थोड़ा आपको लाना पड़ेगा. It is like the bait. मछली पकड़ने के लिए थोड़ा सा pure copper लाना पड़ेगा. And the pure copper is brought as a very thin strip. Very thin strip we will bring. And this one we are going to make it negative. तो negative का मतलब क्या हो गया बेटा? Cathode. You remember CN, Cartoon Network? Okay. And ये इसको हम बनाएंगे anode. Anode मतलब positive, AP, Andhra Pradesh, or else don't panic. And then you have to take an electrolyte. Electrolyte. The electrolyte is usually the salt of the metal, not usually, has to be the salt of the metal. So we will use copper sulfate, aqueous. समझ में आया? ठीक है. अभी क्या करेंगे आगे? Positive is always shown by red color in electricity. So इसको हम positive terminal पे connect करते हैं और दूसरे वाले साइड को negative terminal पे connect करेंगे. This is connected to the negative terminal. ठीक है? This is connected to the positive. और ये जो रहता है ना, this is direct current DC and this is high voltage. This is a very very current consuming process, very very costly process. ठीक है? Done. So let's see what are the reactions that are going to happen. Okay, let's see the reactions. A reaction at anode. First we will see what is the reaction that is happening at anode. Right. Anode में क्या हो रहा है? Cu is getting converted to Cu2 plus and losing 2 electrons. क्या हो रहा है ये फिर? OIL, oxidation is loss of electrons. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है मेरा? Oxidation हो रहा है. So what I'm going to see? I'm going to see बच्चा that there are some flotation of Cu2 plus ions out here. ये समझ में आया आपको? Okay. अच्छा. बीच में फिर इलेक्ट्रोलाइट को भी देख के रखो. Electrolyte. Electrolyte is CuSO4, which is aqueous. It will split itself to Cu2 plus SO4 2 minus. समझा करो. इसको मैं अलग कलर से लिखता हूं. हाँ, इसको मैं अलग कलर से लिखता हूं. So here I am going to have Cu2 plus and I am going to have SO4 2 minus also. Clear? Now comes the query of what is happening at anode. Sorry, reaction at cathode. Reaction at cathode. At cathode, Cu2 plus. Now, no, let me clear it up. यहाँ magic है देखो. I am writing Cu2 plus. Did you understand why I wrote it with green? These are not this copper. It is the copper from the electrolyte. Okay, यही मजेदार चीज है. They will gain 2 electrons. कौन सा 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन? यही 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन करेगा और ये क्या फॉर्म करेगा? Cu. So this is rig. So कैथोड में क्या बन रहा है बेटा? रिडक्शन बन रहा है. अब यहां मैजिक समझिए. I carried 10 rupees in my pocket and Neha gave me 10 rupees and asked to buy one pen for her. Is it necessary that I should spend this note only? No. I buy the pen with this particular note and I give back Neha her pen. She has nothing to cry about. ये 10 रुपया मेरे पास रहना चाहिए ना, ये 10 रुपया रह गया. So ये जो हमारा Cu है, so I should write this also, children, with green color then, तो और clear होगा. So this is getting split to Cu2 plus SO4. सो फाइनली मेरे पास क्या रह गया बच्चा, फाइनली मेरे पास ये रह गया है, दिस इज लेफ्ट ओवर एंड दिस इज लेफ्ट ओवर, राइट। सो Cu2 प्लस SO4 2 माइनस वापस कंबाइन करके CuSO4 अपना इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बन जाता है। Therefore, in this type of a reaction, in this type of electrolytic refining, electrolyte is never used up. It can only become impure. ये कभी used up नहीं होता है। मजा देखिए फिर से, क्या करना है, जो कॉपर आपने प्रोड्यूस किया था पिछले प्रोसेस में, उसका मोटा सा इंप्योर सैंपल ले आइए, एंड यू हैव अ थिन वायर व्हिच इज द प्योर वन, दिस इज लाइक अ बेट, right, connected to the negative. You should not forget here. Why? Because ultimately copper ions will go from here to there, and copper ions are always positive, they will always travel to the negative side. So your doubt gets cleared whether it should be negative or positive. You have already understood it should be negative. ठीक है, रिएक्शन को समझते हैं। यहां से कॉपर आयंस प्रोड्यूस होगा, ये कॉपर आयंस प्रोड्यूस हो गए, एंड यहां पे क्या होगा, देन द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट विल स्प्लिट अप इनटू कॉपर आयंस। इलेक्ट्रोलाइट कॉपर आयंस गो एंड जमोफाई हियर एंड दीज गो एंड कंज्यूम। आगे चलते चलते क्या हो जाएगा, आफ्टर दैट दिस एंटायर थिंग विल गेट फिनिश्ड अप एंड यू विल बी लेफ्ट विद समथिंग, यू विल बी लेफ्ट विद समथिंग, यहां पे ये भड़क करके ऐसे कुछ गिर जाएगा ऐसे करके, इसको हम बोलते हैं एनोड मड। That's why I said, I told you, impure हो सकता है, खर्चा नहीं होगा कभी भी। This is known as anode mud. Did you know what is anode mud? There were impurities in it. I am the big fat impure copper. I am keeping on losing copper ions. So it is just like this is Ganesha and this is rat of Ganesha. Right now Ganesh मोटा, rat पतला, धीरे धीरे गणेश पतला होता जाएगा, रैट मोटा होता जाएगा, मोटा होते 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 अल्टीमेटली क्या हो गया, सारा कॉपर तो निकल गया, क्या बाकी रह गया, गणेश का दैट बैम्बू स्केलेटन धम करके नीचे गिर जाएगा, एंड दैट इज नोन एज एनोड मड। दैट्स ऑल। The thing that you need to remember out here is that the electrolyte never gets used up. Very simple. इस इक्वेशन को याद करने के लिए खाली 3 प्रोसेस याद रखिए। सबसे पहला है यहाँ पे कनेक्शन कैसा होना चाहिए। अच्छा, इसको थोड़ा छोटा करें, चला मेक इट लिटिल बिट स्मॉलर, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। थोड़ा सा इसका रिवीजन का आइडिया दे देते हैं, इसको कैसे आपको रिवीजन करना चाहिए। चलो ये छोटा और छोटा हो जाएगा, ठीक है। ओके, इसका प्रोसेस है नंबर 1 you should know the electrodes. Now since you know the process, electrodes क्या क्या है बेटा, एक पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोड है, एक नेगेटिव है। नेगेटिव का नाम है कैथोड, पॉजिटिव का नाम है एनोड। पॉजिटिव में कौन आएगा, इम्प्योर कॉपर, इम्प्योर कॉपर। यहाँ पे कौन आएगा, प्योर कॉपर। इसको कैसे याद रखने का, हमेशा याद रखिए अल्टीमेटली Cu2 प्लस हैज टू ट्रेवल दिस साइड, राइट। इलेक्ट्रोड हो गया। नंबर 2, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट। व्हाट इज योर इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, CuSO4 always has to be the salt of the metal, always the salt of the metal, ठीक है, salt of metal। Whether you do electroplating also, same is the funda. In grade 8 you studied about electroplating, so it should be the salt of the metal. Then third is you should know the reactions. What are the reactions? Number 1, सबसे पहले एनोड में देखेंगे, गड़बड़ी वहीं पे शुरू होगा। कॉपर विल स्प्लिट टू कॉपर 2 प्लस एंड लूज 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, क्या है, ऑक्सीडेशन है। उसके बाद दूसरा रिएक्शन देखेंगे इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का, CuSO4 विल स्प्लिट टू Cu2 plus SO4 2 minus, and third is the reaction at cathode. कैथोड में क्या होगा, ये वाला, ये Cu2 प्लस विल मालपुए की तरह इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को पिएगा और कॉपर बनेगा। और फाइनली यहाँ पे और एक रिएक्शन होगा, ये वाला जो कॉपर है ये फिर SO4 2 माइनस के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा और CuSO4 का लेवल बरकरार रखेगा। दिस इज नोन एज रिडक्शन। और फाइनली ये एनोड जो है टपक करके नीचे गिर जाएगा और इसका नाम हो जाएगा एनोड मड. दिस इज जस्ट लाइक पूजा के बाद जो विसर्जन होता है ना, द एंटायर आइडल विल बी इमर्स्ड and all the mud and clay will come out unless and until your idol is a eco-friendly idol, and all you will have is the structure which is the anode mud, वो ढप करके गिर जाएगा. And with this we conclude this chapter. There is nothing more that is there. I don't think so. Corrosion है क्या? देखेंगे, है तो next class. हाँ? You have ना? Okay, corrosion part is there. That will take in next class. Corrosion क्या है? It's very easy. Corrosion of aluminium and this. Whatever part is left will live, but the major part of extraction is over. ठीक है? So in our next class we will have a wind up. We will start with corrosion and clear it, and then I have lots of plans. So our next class would be maths class, and we go back to circles, and we'll try to finish circles that day because we only have to do problems from the second exercise, and we will start again from the start. थोड़ा थोड़ा आप भूल गए होंगे what were the theorems and all. ठीक है बच्चा? So see you on Sunday with circles.